Hello again. Hello, Roland. Hello with us. Can you quickly introduce yourself and the company, yeah, for our viewers and the case study we are about to share?
Yeah, my name is Roeland Muller. I live in the Netherlands. I'm an application manager of Jira, and we use Jira for our lease company, Hiltermann Lease. And in Jira, we had a lot of projects, but we had also Azure. And I migrated all the Azure projects to Jira with your application. And well, it works very fine. I love the application. So I thought we have not only the Hiltermann company, also having the Dealer Total Concept company, and they both use the same Jira instance. And the company now is getting its own instance, Dealer Total Concept. And I thought maybe I can use the application also for a synchronization migration to the other Jira instance. And so I asked Myra a question about that, and that's the reason we are talking together now.
Yes, yes. So I'm very happy that you like the tool and you would like to scale. Yeah, we will discuss these options in a moment. But so can you describe the use case? So it's like you have internally Jira, you have the DevOps and another Jira, right? So what are the teams using and benefiting from this integration? And how was it working before this tool was implemented? Like, was it like a manual work, emails? Yeah, how was it? How is it?
Yeah, now I work at the IT department, and we have a lot of project teams. And some project teams were working in Azure, and some project teams were already working with Jira. But we didn't have some insights about how we worked, and some projects influenced the other projects. So we need to do a synchronization, and a lot of time we were busy with Excel, so we can make a report, but it doesn't it didn't work out for the company. So we decided to migrate everything to Jira, and everything to do with hand. A manual migration, it's a lot of work. So we were looking for an application where you can match field to field, and maybe do some adjustments or edit some fields. And we tried 3 or 4 other applications, but it didn't match. It wasn't that friendly to use until I learned your application. And yeah, so a lot of time isn't spent anymore in matching fields and editing and adjusting fields. So yeah, we are very happy with that. We can now migrate, synchronize a complete team within a week. And normally it's about a month per team. So we synchronize now 7 or 8 teams. So yeah, less time, about 8 months I did now in 6 weeks, or something like that. So yeah, I'm very happy.
Okay, yeah, very happy to hear this one. So you mentioned you tried different tools. Can you name them and like highlight where maybe it was nicer to use our solution or where it was lacking some features if there was a case? What were the criteria for you to choose the solution? Why the success criteria?
Yeah, I know one, TF4S, I think.
TFS for Jira.
Yeah. And the others I don't know anymore because it's 6 months ago, something like that.
Okay.
The reason I chose for this application is it should be user friendly. It should be like the lean process. You do not need to use a manual to set things up. When you have to use a manual, you first have to do a complete study to know and to get to your goals. With this application, you just start. You can use pre-set up. Yeah, you can use
quick build, yeah, which builds it for you.
And then you can edit, and then you can put extra fields to it. Then you can, and when a user left the company, yeah, well, okay, add another name to the application, and it's not complicated. It's really easy to do. And then it's also good to see when something is synchronizing or it's not synchronizing, why it's not synchronizing.
The
So
reporting.
you can solve the problem. Yeah.
So overall, you'd say the user friendliness of the UI of Getint. You had trouble,
absolutely,
yeah, having access or understanding how to approach the integration in other tools was just too much of a hassle, and with Getint it was just face value, right?
Yeah, and yeah, also you have to know in Azure there were no rules of usage for the project leader, so everyone did it on his own way. Just so not every project was exactly the same. So you need to adjust when you're synchronizing or migrating. You need to adjust the items you want to synchronize.
Okay. Yes.
Because not everything is the same, and that is made very easy.
Yeah, in Getint you can choose a different set of fields for every type, and then the different set of types and fields for every project. You can have some kind of templates with that then can be adjusted. So
Yeah.
I believe this maintenance is yeah, it's one of the reasons why we believe it's pretty nice. Okay. Alex, would you like to ask something? So yeah, I wanted to ask.
What do you think about our support team? Because we have a lot of cases. We have an internal support team. We work very closely with them, and we like working with them. They're very nice people. But what it is like for the customer?
That's another big plus for you, because when you have a question, almost immediately you got an answer. And sometimes they need to investigate the problem, but always a quick response. And so that's very nice. And I talk a lot with Myra. Well, the connection is good, the relation is perfect, and yeah, it's fine. It feels like a premium support.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Sounds amazing. Okay, great. So if you could, with like one sentence, recommend the tool to someone that's at the beginning of your journey. So they just like checking what's already there on the market, they are testing and they need to make a decision. Yeah, what would you say to them to help them select
Easy
the tool?
setup, easy synchronizing, easy migrating, and great support when you need it.
Thank you. I think that's golden. It's a perfect story, perfect recommendation. So yeah, thank you for being with us.
Okay.
Thank you, Roeland.
Yo.